how to delete your transaction history on Venmo. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Venmo account history or transaction history on Venmo. Now, to be precise and accurate, sadly the app does not allow you to completely delete your transaction history. This means that even though you delete the transaction from your Venmo account, the details and history of the transactions will still be saved on the Venmo servers. However, it will present itself as a problem because your privacy will be maintained and your history will not be presented into the public feed. Now, you have the choice to make your Venmo transaction history private anyways. As mentioned previously, you cannot delete your Venmo transaction history directly. If you do not want others to view your transaction history, the only way to do so is to make the history private. This way your transactions will not be visible in the public feed. The transaction history is made public by default and can be seen by your friends on the social media platform if they visit your profile. There is a reason why so many people consider it to be a social media platform. The people in your friend list can always keep a check on the transaction you make on Venmo. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.